I've got my routine. Walking the kids to school, shopping for groceries, punching in at work. But I'm not there. Not really. You know? I feel like a ghost walking amongst the living. I had disappeared and no one even noticed.
Depression can be very isolating. Have you been using any of the coping mechanisms we discussed?
I've been trying. Tell myself God has a plan for everyone. Maybe I just haven't seen it yet.
God? God's fucking plan? Do you believe in Santa Claus, too?
All right, William. Do you want to share more of your thoughts with us?
My thoughts? Okay. I think humanity is a thin layer of bacteria and a ball of mud hurtling through the void. I think if there was a God, he would have given up on us long ago. He gave us a paradise, and we used everything up. We dug up every ounce of energy and burned it. We consume and excrete, use and destroy. Then we sit here on a neat little pile of ashes, having squeezed anything of value out of this planet, and we ask ourselves, why are we here? You want to know what I think your purpose is? It's obvious. You're here along with the rest of us to speed the entropic death of this planet, to service the chaos. We're maggots eating a corpse.
What the fuck is wrong with you?